The best full-frame mirrorless cameras from Canon, Sony and Nikon are, in our opinion, the best cameras we have ever seen. Having merged the advantage of mirrorless technology with the large 35mm image sensors, these cameras are now adding AI-based autofocus systems, ridiculous resolution and unbelievable burst rate. However, they are so good that it's hard to know which one is actually right for the job. So, here in this video, we will help you out in choosing the best mirrorless camera for you. So stick to the video till the end and let me know in the comment section which camera did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new camera, please leave your question in the comment section. Sony A7C Mark II, the best full-frame mirrorless camera for travel. People thought it is crazy, this camera design and its specification, but we love the idea of the A7C line. To stuff a full-frame camera into an APS-C chassis is really a very good idea. That's the formula for a fantastic travel camera, and what you get with the A7C Mark II is effectively a A7 Mark IV squished into the body of an A6 Mark X with all the same specs and even a few more advanced features. On top of the familiar tech, the 33MP sensor, 10fps shooting, cropped 4K 60p video, you also get a dedicated AI processor that packs the latest subject tracking autofocus modes, auto-framing for video and subjects and cropping, and like a virtual cameraman, as well as features like time lapse and focus bracketing. So there are so many things into this camera. If you want all the power of a compact A7 in a compact form, then go for this camera, and if you are a keen hybrid content creator, you will definitely love this camera. Buy this amazing camera for its advanced autofocus system and 33MP image sensor. Leica Q3, the best full-frame mirrorless camera for street photography. While we don't like Leica cameras because we have not seen much of it selling in many of the countries, only we have seen the cameras from Fujifilm, Sony, Canon and Nikon, but there are rare places where people like the Leica cameras, but their technology is awesome. With an amazing triple resolution sensor that captures 60.3MP, 36.5MP or 18.6MP images depending on what you need for workflow and output. It's a fixed semi-lux A28mm f1.7 as lens delivers pristine images, but the Q3 makes the most of its 60.3MP sensor to offer further focal lengths via digital cropping 35mm, 50mm, 75mm and 90mm. Leica's glorious color rendition and deep detail image files look fantastic straight out of the camera and are a joy to work with in post-production. And the magic extends to video as the sensor is capable of 8K capture, though bear in mind that there is no microphone input, so this isn't going to cut it as a pure videography tool. Buy this amazing camera because it's amazing 28mm focal length performance is really good, and it is very trendy. It has a fantastic 60, 36, 18MP image quality, and it can shoot 8K video but no audio inputs. Sony A7R Mark V, the best full-frame mirrorless camera for landscapes. While it no longer has a monopoly of 60 megapixel sensors, having been joined by the likes of the Leica SL3 and the Sigma FPL, the mighty A7R Mark V is still the top pick for landscape shooting thanks to its overall superior performance. Landscape photographers love resolution, and the 61MP sensor still gives you more pixels than anything shy of a medium format camera. You can even boost this to an amazing 240MP via the magic of pixel shift to eke out even more details in your shots. Buy if you need an highest resolution for a professional work, And if you want a professional hybrid camera, it has got a 61 MP resolution, and the maximum resolution you can get from it is 240 MP, which is a high resolution mode. Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark 12, the best full-frame mirrorless camera for video. Panasonic has always had a rep for video excellence, but there is very good competition from other cameras companies like Canon and Nikon, but this is very good camera and gives the very good picture quality when it comes to video. HDMI RAW output, Apple Pro Resolution RAW, Blackmagic B RAW, 10-bit 4:2:2:2, all iLong GOP, live streaming, open gate capture, SSD recording, 6.5 stops of in-body image stabilization. This is simply a videographer's dream, whether you are a serious content creator or a dedicated filmmaker. The only thing that's really missing from its video arsenal is a 8K video, for the simple reason that the Panasonic doesn't believe there is enough demand for it. Though anyone who shoots video would certainly demand a tally light, something that is notably absent from the camera. Buy this amazing camera if you want to shoot raw video. You rely on stabilization more, then you can go for this. Buy it for its best-in-class video performance, and it records to an external SSD also. Canon EOS R8, best full-frame mirrorless camera for beginners. It's essentially a baby R6 Mark II without the IBIS second card slot and ergonomics. You get a lot of bang for your buck here. The 24.2 MP sensor delivers great image quality with Canon's celebrated color science. It is powered by the flagship grade dual pixel autofocus Mark II, which is the best autofocus system you have used. Between this and unbelievable 40 FPS continuous shooting, the R8 can be used for sports and wildlife. It's a beast for video too, with a 4K 60p that's oversampled from 6K, along with a full HD at up to 180p with options including 10-bit 4:2:2 and long mode, and your video will benefit from the fully articulating touchscreen. Buy this amazing camera for if you are new to photography and if you want the fast FPS. It has got fantastic autofocus and blistering 40 FPS per shooting. So these are the 5 amazing cameras that you can buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.